Let's be honest, Myrtle Beach in the summer, it's bringing the heat. But don't sweat it, literally. Whether you're roasting on the beach or just trying to avoid that midday meltdown, we've got 10 ways to chill out, cool down, and still make the most of your Myrtle Beach vacation. This is 10 ways to beat the summer heat in Myrtle Beach. Start indoors with something fun for every age. Arcades. Whether you're into old school pinball, claw machines, or the latest digital games, Myrtle Beach has a great mix of spots to play and stay cool. Check out the Boardwalk Arcades, Dave & Buster's, or even the Ultimate California Pizza Game Zone for a fun way to duck the heat. Next up, beat the heat with a breeze. Boat tours like Crazy Sister Marina's Saltwater Marsh Eco Excursion or their Sunset Cruise offer shade, great views, and a relaxing vibe. Want dolphins and AC? The Hurricane Fleet Dolphin Cruise has both, plus a souvenir shark tooth for kids. Sure, it's outdoors, but Broadway at the beach has plenty of ways to cool down. Pop in and out of the shops, treat yourself to some ice cream, or solve your way through the escape game or mirror maze. The AC is always running inside. Nothing says beat the heat like 1.2 million gallons of water. With more than 30 slides and water attractions, Myrtle Waves Waterpark will have you beating the heat and having a blast doing it. When the temps rise, museums are the chillest way to learn something new. Check out the Art Museum of Myrtle Beach, the Hollywood Wax Museum, or the always popular Wonderworks. It's the one that looks like it landed upside down, hard to miss, and even harder to not love the hands-on exhibits, rope course, and rides. The ultimate cool-down treat? Ice cream, of course. From the Crafty Cow's Fresh Mix-Ins to Ben & Jerry's Classics or Sweet Molly's Creamery, there are frozen treats for every kind of sweet tooth across the beach. Too hot to cook? Myrtle Beach restaurants to the rescue. Sit down inside for seafood at Bennett's Seafood Calabash, get taco happy at the Craft Taco, or go big with a dino-sized fun at Dino Land Cafe. It's a cool break and a tasty one, with endless options in the Grand Strand. After a sunny day, wind down at the theater. Cool off with live shows at Legends in Concert, the Carolina Opry, House of Blues, or Alabama Theater. With the variety of live shows or a comedy at the GTS Theater, you'll be entertained and comfortably cool. Up for some adventure? Water sports like jet skiing, parasailing, and banana boating give you thrills and chills. Check out Express or Aloha Water Sports to ride the waves while staying refreshed. The beach at night hits different. It's quieter, cooler, and totally relaxing. Get a blanket, bring a friend, catch the breeze, and enjoy the sound of waves without the sunburn risk. Ready to stay cool and have a blast in Myrtle Beach? Visit MyrtleBeach.com for more ideas, event listings, and vacation inspo. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your beach crew. Stay chill!